Here's a task 12 demonstration. Having clicked the plus in Sibelius, tap on treble staff once. Once inside, you might like to zoom in, so pinch zoom like you would with a photograph. And the first thing we need to do is to create the time signature and the key signature. Triple tap, so that's 3 taps very quickly. In the first bar, select the plus at the top and go to key signature. You can work in any major key with up to 4 sharps and 4 flats. So I'm going to choose E major. Triple tap again, go to the plus, this time select time signature, and we're going to work in 4/4. Next, we need to enter the first note. To enter a note, just click on the purple dot. I've decided my first note is going to be a crotchet on E. I'm in E major, so I want to establish the key strongly at the beginning, and I'll put it on this E here. Now I'm going to choose some other rhythms. Now I've made an error there because I've accidentally drawn in an A sharp. There's a few different ways I can get around that. I can undo it, I can draw it again, but all I'm going to do this time is tap on the note, and you'll see the sharp sign on the keypad is switched on, so I'm just going to tap on that to switch it off. And then I've lost the cursor now, so all I need to do to get back into it, tap on the rest and enter another note. I'm going to listen to the melody I've drawn so far, so click on the first note. And that makes a nice melodic shape so far. Notice that my notes that I've chosen, they don't jump or leap very far. In fact, I've made them move by step, so it goes line, space, line, space, line so far. Where should we go next? Let's enter some more. Now that's the end of the first phrase. I've created a 2-bar phrase there, like a 2-bar musical sentence. So I've included a longer duration note at the end. I've also included that note as a B, which is note 5 in E major. And that's important because it makes the music sound unfinished. It makes the melody sound unfinished at that moment. Let's have a listen from the beginning. Okay, so I've got like a question phrase there. And now I'm going to put an answer phrase. So remember that when we did question and answer in task 4, there's probably going to be some similarity to what I've put in bars 1 and 2. But it will need to be different so that it's not just the same thing over again. So this time I think I will start down on this E again. Just switch that off again. So the similarity I've chosen is the rhythm towards the end. There we go, and I finished on an E to make the melody sound finished. So let's listen all the way through. In fact, I've just noticed that rhythm is different. So I'm going to make it match. So I'll change that into a quaver. And the next note I'll put there. And then I have got the same rhythm in that bar as I've got in this bar. So it creates a nice balance. Let's listen again. Okay, and then to complete task 12, if this was your own melody, all you need to do is make a screen recording and then upload it to Shobi. Just to finish off with this, just a reminder that first note E is important because it's note 1 of E major, your chosen key. And this note is important because it's note 5, so it will sound finished. note 5 in the scale of E major is B. And I wanted to make it sound finished at the end, so again I've chosen to return to the E, the tonic in E major. Okay.